The demand for better performing lithium-ion batteries is driving research towards understanding factors causing degradation. The method described here can precisely gauge the behavior of individual battery components.
The wealth of information that this technique provides amplifies the reach of diagnostic analysis in lithium-ion batteries and provides valuable input into the optimization of individual cell components.
To begin, obtain a 4 cm wide, 7 cm long jig made of 2 mm thick copper wire, with flat loops to stabilize the jig at one end and a handle at the other end. Then, pour about 23 milliliters of industrial-grade stripping solution into a 7.6 cm diameter stainless steel beaker to attain a solution depth of about 5 millimeters. Immerse a thermocouple in the solution, keeping the tip away from the bottom of the beaker. Start heating the beaker on a hot plate to 85 degrees Celsius. While the solution heats, carefully wind 60 centimeters of 25.4 micron polyurethane-coated tin-plated copper wire lengthwise around the jig. Gently tape the ends of the wire to the handles. Once the solution reaches 85 degrees Celsius, turn off the heat and place the jig vertically in the solution to immerse one side of the wrapped wire. Leave the jig in the solution for 15 seconds, and then rinse the wire and jig in deionized water for 15 seconds. Inspect